Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I am going to show you how to create scheduled post on Facebook page. Facebook has a lot of feature. One of the important feature is scheduled post. Some people every day post the content to their follower for business or personal purpose. If they are in the vacation, they would like to create the scheduled post because their follower expecting the post on every day. In this case, how they can create the scheduled post? Let's learn how you can set up this. Open your Facebook account. Before create the scheduled post, you have to know about this option is only available for the Facebook pages, not for the personal account. We can check here. I share the link. There is no option to available the scheduled post. So this will be available only for the Facebook pages. So I will open my Facebook page. In your Facebook page, you have to select the publishing tool. In the published post page, you have to click on the create post. This will be open the pop-up. Here you have to enter the description what you would like to share. Then I have added the YouTube link. If you linked your Instagram account, you can select here. This is also automatically published on your Instagram account. So right now I don't have to share this. Then you have to click on the publish icon drop down menu. Here you have an option of the scheduled post. Then you have to select the date and time. Then click on the schedule. Now you have to click on the scheduled post button. Now your post has been scheduled. This will be automatically published based on your date settings. This will be really helpful to make the scheduled publish on Facebook page. Thanks for watching this video. If you would like to more informative video, subscribe this channel. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.